Welcome back everyone to a new video of app tutorial. In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through on how to activate your Metro Bank credit card online. If you have just got your Metro Bank credit card, in this video, let me show you how you can easily reactivate it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Open up your web browser and search for Metro Bank credit card activation. Once you do, you'll see these search results. You just need to scroll down and you'll have this search result called Metro Bank, and you'll also have this activate card option. So just click on this link and it's going to take you to the website of Metro Bank, to the section of card activation. You can scroll down and first of all type in your credit card number. So type in the 16-digit card number that you have on the front of your card, and then also type in the expiration date. Once that is done, you'll need to now type in this CAPTCHA. If you cannot understand this, you can click on this link and a new CAPTCHA will be available. Now you can type in the CAPTCHA that is provided and then click on proceed. If the details that you entered and the CAPTCHA that you entered is correct, your card will be activated immediately. That's all it takes to activate your credit card of Metro Bank. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.